All right, Tuesday morning, about a half hour from where I'm dropping this boat. Go get it dropped and go pick up a container. Just finished up pre-trip. Man, I highly recommend this Patty's Inn and Suites. Room was clean. Breakfast was good. I didn't check out the pool other than walking up to it last night. But, it's just, I've stayed in quite a few hotels. And I tell you, this one here is, well, at least my room. I can speak for my room. From what I saw in here, they're not charging enough, honestly. I mean, the rooms are small, at least the one that I was in, but for $50, $51, whatever, 50, 55, I think it's the cost of it. For the price of the room and what you get, well worth it. I mean, it's not, the rooms weren't filthy. I didn't see any water damage anywhere. A lot of these places you'll go in and look up the ceiling, you got water damage everywhere or cracks. But not here. This was actually, this was pretty nice. I will probably stay here again if I come down through here. I just can't get over how cheap it was. I figured it'd be $100 at least. So, $50, 55 cents, boys. Not a bad place. So if you're down this way and need a hotel, that's where I'd go. All right, we're about a half hour away from our destination on delivering the boat. So, pre-trip's done. So let's get to it. Let's get this boat delivered. All right, we made it. So that was a long journey back up here. And we'll talk about the reason that I took that deadhead and come back up here to get this. Sorry, I had the hiccups. Anyway, we'll get this container loaded up, put on the trailer, and get it strapped down, and we'll get out of here. All right, just come out of the hole, get a little fueling going. I got the container all strapped in, chains up front, twisting 4 straps on this 20-foot container, and a chain across the back. So let's get on the road.
Yeah. Been a good day. Been a good day, Tater. So, you know, I did deadhead quite a bit of ways back just to get this container, but I was already coming past there to come home today because I've got runs out of just north of Columbus tomorrow. So, when coming back and grabbing the container and just running it out of Cincinnati down to Lexington, I mean, that's no problem. You know, that's a load for the day. These loads that I've been doing, they pay well, just because they need my help moving this stuff. They've got a lot of stuff going right now over this week. So anytime that they reach out to me to have me help, it's because, you know, they've got more stuff to handle, you know, than what they can handle right now. This is for a construction company, coming from the construction company, who has lowboy trucks, flatbeds, step decks. I mean, more than capable of doing this stuff themselves. And if they have more than what their drivers can handle, which is where we're at right now, and that's mainly the way it is through the summertime, they reach out and they hire guys in like me. You know, you got to be dependable. You got to be trustworthy. Don't give any bullshit. You know, straight shooter. Don't try to put any icing on the cake. You know, don't try to sugarcoat it, I guess. And just get it done. Just get the job done. That's all they want. So evidently, you know, I do a good job at that, and that's why they keep calling me back. So dropped the boat this morning. Got it delivered. Everybody was happy on that. And got back up here, got the container, took it down to Lexington, which is where we're at now. Like I said, I'm just pulled off the exit. Got probably, I don't know, 5-6 miles to go, and we'll be there. But yeah, we'll get this thing delivered. So far, so good on this week. And then tomorrow, we're coming right back down here again tomorrow, just out of north end of Columbus. We'll end up bringing a couple loads down here over the next couple days. So, oh yeah, definitely turning into a good week. Like a kid in a candy store when it happens this way. I think it's the money. I'm a sucker for money. I like money. I don't know who doesn't like money. I know I really like money, so I'll go after it. You know, that's my drive out here. I mean, I love doing what I'm doing, and I love money. So let's get this container delivered and get back on the road to head to the house.
1 minute to spare on my time. So, cutting it a little close. But we made it home. No problem. Tomorrow, like I said, we'll haul the other stuff out of just north of Columbus. Take it down there to Lexington where we dropped the container off today. And we'll probably do a couple of loads of that. Now tomorrow, depending on the time that I get down there to Lexington and get unloaded, I am going to try to pick up that pickup truck. It is at a facility, so hopefully, I can get down there in time and get unloaded for when, before they are done for the day. I guess it doesn't run, so they'll have to pick it up with forklift, stick it up on my trailer. So, yeah. Good day, good run, good day yesterday. Deserves almost, this is my beer. So, this is a good one. Too old to crush it on my head. So, yeah. Had a lot of good runs so far, and it's only Tuesday. So, we'll get back up in the morning, do another run, and see what else to get into. So, yep, until then, we'll get this uploaded for you.